So the other day I wanted to make a quick action on my Expo React Native app like this when users hold your app icon. And I did this with Expo Quick Actions package. And today I am going to show you how you can also do this in your React Native Expo application. So first, we are going to need to pre-build our application using npx expo pre-build. And I am in a newly created app. I just have an index route and a help route, and that's it. I also installed a package called Expo Quick Actions. As you can see here, you can install this with Expo install Expo Quick Actions. And if you install this after you do the pre-build, you need to pre-build again. And after that is done, we are going to come to our layout file and we are going to write some code. So the first thing we are going to need to do is we are going to take this one. Let's import this. And yeah, so we are going to put this in our root layout, and this helps us set the quick action in a use effect. So you can set multiple items here, and I'm going to only set one. And you can change the title. The subtitle only shows in iOS applications. Also, the Expo Quick Actions package suggests that you use the native symbols on iOS. In Android, you can use assets icon. You can put any icon in there you want. Images also, PNG, SVG, whatever. And that's pretty much it for setting it. So let's save this and let's run our application in Android. This is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna skip right there. So our application is open, and I want to check if I have my Expo Quick Actions set. So here it is. It is the title we passed. Again, the subtitle is only for iOS. Also, we are currently using icon 2 for only iOS. I'm gonna later show how you can use the custom images on Android. The ID is 0. We don't see that here, but we will need this later on. Also the params. By the way, params can edit anything you like. You can put is customer here, and maybe you have a login over here. Like you can put false, true, whatever. I just put the customized params href because I'm going to show you how you can use the href quickly to route users to a specific page using Expo if you are using Expo router. So let's press this and it opens our app. So we also need to handle the case where this quick action is pressed, right? So what we want to do this, currently I only want to refer to user to the help page, and I am using Expo router. And if you are also using Expo router, there's a really quick way to do this. It is by using this hook called UseQuickActionRouting, and you import this from Expo Quick Actions router. So let's close our app so it reloads. And what this does is this takes the href on the params object and routes you to that page. If you remember, when we pressed the quick action, we didn't route to the any page. But right now, when I press it, I will be on the help page. As you can see, I am on the help page over here. It is our help page. And what if you don't want to route user to a page and you want to customize the callback? It is, let's say that you want to show a model, show a dialog. There is a different hook for this, and we are going to see it right now. So we covered how you can use quick action routing to quickly route user whenever they press your quick actions if you want to route them to a page. So let's say that you want to do something else. Maybe you still want to route them to a page, but you are not using Expo router, right? So there's a callback hook you can use. It is called use quick action callback. You import it from the hooks, Expo Quick Actions /hooks. And I want to save this. Let's reopen my app, and when I press it, I will see everything we put here, the action data in this console log. As you can see, it is here. I am seeing it. And what happens is you can handle the cases, right? So if your ID, let's say that if action that ID equals to 0, you still want to write them. Maybe you are using React Navigation and I'm using Expo, so I'm gonna still use Expo Router, but I'm using it manually. Expo Router.push/help. So okay, let's save it. As you can see, it already fired up, but let's quit it and open it here. So this does the same thing as the custom hook that was provided us by the Expo Quick Action Router, and this is for customization. Maybe you can also do, let's say that you can also use this in your help page here. Let's say that you have a model, a bottom sheet. You can just do the bottom sheet ref current or something like this, if I remember correctly, and current at present. So let's say that I have a bottom sheet present, and whenever user comes from this action, you can put this in an if block, and whenever a user comes from that action, I want to show the bottom sheet ref present, bottom sheet exactly. So now we are going to see how we can put an custom icon in our quick actions. So I have put an adaptive icon here in my assets and image directory. You can put whatever you want. Make sure it's adaptive so the Android doesn't break it. And we are going to come to our app.json over here, and we are going to change this into an array with objects, and it will pretty much look like this: the Android icon object, and inside we have a help icon, and we are going to put our image over here, and background, you want to put the background color of the icon. So let's change our name of the image, make sure it matches up to this one, and make sure you also rebuild the pre-build, or else the icon won't change. So I tested myself, so I know. And that's done. And before running our application here, let's come here, let's copy this. Make sure you copy the help icon name, the object name, not the image name, and you want to make sure you put it here. So on Android, the help icon will show, which is our image with this background color. So let's run the Android build, and I'm gonna catch you on the other side. So our build was successful again, and let's see if the quick actions icon is changed. And yeah, as you can see here is our image, which is the same as this. And let's make it bigger. A quick tip for you: you can just hold it and put it as shortcut in your home page. This is the quick action shortcut, not the app shortcut. As you can see, this is our app icon, which is nothing for now, and it shows that this is linked to that app. So it works the same way. As you can see, we put the console log here over here, and we show it. We just change the icon. And if you want this, this is also works on iOS. If you want this to work on also iOS and not use a native icon, you can just do it like this without the platform if else chain. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video was helpful, because when I searched for this type of content on YouTube, I couldn't find anything that was relating to quick actions in React Native, yet alone Expo. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I will try to respond them. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. I see you later.